In this video, I'm going to guide you guys on a step-by-step tutorial on how to add or change payment method on Google Play Store. Now without any further ado, we're getting right into our video. In order to change the current method or add your payment method, you have to go to your Google Play Store. Once you have tapped open your Play Store, you'll be on the home page. From the home page on the top, you can see a search bar, and right beside the search bar, you can see a notification icon and a profile icon. You'll have to tap on your profile icon. Once you have tapped on your profile icon, you'll be able to see various options, followed by manage apps and devices, offers and notification, payments and subscriptions, and so on. Tap on the third option, that is payments and subscriptions. Once you have tapped on payment and subscriptions method, here you can see there are 4 options. On the very beginning, there is payment methods. From here, you will be working on the option payment method, so tap on it. And from here, as you can see, I have not added a payment method into my Google account. So from here, you can choose to add a credit card or your debit card. For now, I'll be tapping on the add credit or debit card option. From here, you'll have to fill in your card information, and once you have filled out your information, simply tap on save, and just like that, you'll have successfully added or changed your payment method on Google Play. Thank you for staying to the very end of this video. I hope you found our video helpful. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to leave us a like and subscribe. Have a good day.